Hi everyone, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today we're going to learn how to play Animal Abilities. Animal Abilities is a game that would probably suit younger beginner learners better than older students, but you could try it with older students and see how they like it also. What you need to have any students that you play this with able to do is to list off animals. And so in my experience, when you're teaching the alphabet, ABC, you are also teaching maybe an animal that begins with that letter, and that's all you need. What we're going to use the game to do is to introduce a slightly higher concept of an ability or an attribute that that animal can do or has. So let's take a look. In the picture representations of dice, so when you roll a dice, we need to check this ability or this attribute. But let's go through them quickly for the camera. If you roll a 1, we're going to ask you, does your animal fly or can it fly? Number 2, does your animal live underwater? Number 3, can your animal eat meat, eat a person? 4, does your animal have a tail? 5, can your animal be a pet? A pet. And 6, this is my depiction of an animal in the zoo. So can you see your animal at the zoo? Let's write them down quickly. Okay, after I've written down these words, I maybe would review them with the students so they can say these words if they're learning it for the first time. But the picture stays there so that they can have a reminder of what does this mean. And here's how you play the game. You choose a student, it could be anyone, and we'll divide the class into kind of 2 teams, so this side and that side. And I'll keep score for them to see who's the winner, but everybody gets a turn. So let's start with Sam. Sam, choose an animal, any animal that you like. What's your favorite animal, Sam?
A giraffe.
Giraffe, okay, good. Here's the dice, give it a roll, and we'll see what question are we going to ask Sam. 4, does a giraffe have a tail? What do you think? Yes, it does. Wow, you're smart. Not only does it have a tail, some people think it doesn't have a tail. So good job, Sam. And now, Steven. Steven, your turn. You can choose a different animal, but not giraffe.
Koala.
Koala. Okay, here you go. Good luck. It's 6. Can you see the koala at the zoo? I think so. Good job. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see, Teacher Carson's favorite animal. I like penguins, so I'll choose a penguin. And let's see here, penguin 2. Does a penguin live underwater? I guess kind of sometimes. If there's ever this kind of situation where no, it's not a fish, or yes, it lives underwater, solve the situation by paper, scissors, stone. Oh, I lost. Okay, no star. I guess they don't live underwater, but you run into funny situations. So let's say a pig. Okay, pig 1. Can a pig fly? No, ha ha ha. The kids will enjoy when they get the mismatches, and they will enjoy learning in this way because of the laughter that ensues. So I hope it works for you, and thanks for watching.